Hello guys, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop high input output usage problem of your website in cPanel. So before diving into the problem, you have to make sure that you have already followed three important rules which I'm going to tell you now. Okay, rule number 1, don't use more than 12 plugins, because if you use more than 12 plugins then definitely it will increase input output usage, and that will be the problem. So don't use more than 12 plugins. Actually, you can do lots of things within 10 or uh, 11 plugins. Actually, don't use more than 12 plugins. Definitely it will slow down your entire website. And the rule number 2, never use cracked or null plugins or themes. Okay, if you use cracked or null plugins or themes, your website will be infected with malwares, and you have to delete your entire website if you use these types of plugins or themes. Actually, never use. That will definitely increase also input output usage, and you want access to your website also. So we don't want to be like that. So never use cracked or null plugins or themes. Okay, try to use premium ones, and update all your plugins and themes to the latest version. Okay, you have to update your plugins and themes to the latest versions, otherwise there is a chance that malware and viruses can access to your website if you don't update your plugins and themes. So these three rules are very important if you consider about high input output usage. Now uh, I'm going to uh, show you to solve this problem in cPanel. But you have to follow these three rules before that. If you have already done these three rules, I mean these three processes, and then you can move to the next uh, process, which is very simple, and most of the time that will solve your problem. Actually, it has solved my problem. That's why I'm sharing my knowledge with you. Okay, let's move to the video. Okay, now I'm in my cPanel, and in you have to log in to your cPanel and find file manager. Okay, find file manager, and then hit enter. Okay, now you are in your file manager, and then you have to find public HTML, right? You have to find public HTML. Right, here we go, and hit enter. Then find the script called wp-cron.php. This is the file. This is the file you have to deactivate, right? So select the file. If you uh, can come here and you'll see the permission, but I'm going to do it. Right click and go to change permission, and already I have done this, that's why I'm sharing with you. But you will see uh, this file like this, right? Now just like this, that may be very, but it can be like this 644 or another permission to your file. But what you have to do is, don't think about this, just untick all these permissions and select change permissions. That is it. This will definitely solve your high input output usage problem, right? Definitely it has solved my problem. That's why I'm sharing with you. I think you find my video useful, uh, and if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel. I will share with you lots of info related to website maintaining and creating websites. Thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, bye bye.